Hello YouTubers, it's Bruno El Piston again. In the deal with the whole dome light. The guy gave it to me, It's an whole Stihl 012 AV electronic quick stop. It was almost apart. Missing some screws. And both of pieces are just now. I'll check it a little bit. Flywheel is broke, just there, missing one of the teeth. And when I play with it, it was apart. I just put it together to fix the puzzle a little bit. There's some the coil and everything downstairs. I don't know how to really fix it now. I'm trying to find an exploded view of this thing, and I have a little electrical module just down there. And another part that's missing is the choke lever, but everything is right there. Gave it to me for free with the old home light. Another project. Thanks for watching.